So, news just in. This is the bird show. And the person speaking is news reporter Cutie. Yeah, I'm right there. The blue one. Yeah, I'm the one who's speaking. Okay, well, my friend just escaped, and I am really sad now. And I really want to escape from here, but my meat owners, Hiba, won't let me out. But one good thing about her is... Hey, wait, Sunny's calling me, wait.
What? It's dirty. Nasty. Sorry about that.
Wait, sorry. Sorry about that. Sunny is just so sad over Miranda. Anyway. Sunny. Hey. Hey, I'm supposed to be sitting on the nesting box. You can't, Sunny. No, you can't. Sunny. Funny. Yeah, there. See, I call the perch. Hurry up with the news. Well, anyway, the news is our great friend Miranda has a next one.
Hi, I'm Sunny.
Sunny, shut up. I am... Hi, hey, wait. Who taught you English? I thought I was the only one who... I thought I was the only one who knew English.
No, I know English too. Anyway, why are you speaking? Something about Miranda?
Yeah, and I know more English than you, Sunny.
No, I know more than you.
No, I know more than you.
Can we just talk about Miranda?
Okay. Hey, that's Miranda's box.
I'm Sunny. The new guest stars.
Hey, that's Miranda's box, Sunny. You can't go in there.
Oh, yes, I can. I'm laying eggs.
No, you're not.
I
You're
can.
too young.
Stop smacking. Stop.
I don't like you. I'm gonna shut down the camera because you're being so mean.